just pop my... Am I coming out?
Do we just keep walking?
Do you want us to keep going? Nope. Don't know where I was going with that.
No, I was trying to get back a bit more, but...
Hello and welcome to the season finale of... No. So that's a wrap at Everard's Farm. What a place. What are they doing? Oh, no, it's fine. What's this one? This is the one that's I mean, yeah, I always attract the wrong uns. I can't, honestly. It's just tiny. It's just very expensive. It's very, very expensive. Oh my God. I really can't. I feel like I've got the giggles now. Getting greenery for the flowers, pot, vase.
That's it, that just completes it.
There we go. Where is he?
Where have you gone, Adam?
Hello?
Oh, he's hiding down there.
Hiya.
Ready when you are.
Okay. Continuously rolling or pausing?
Say action like a professional. Okay. Action when you're ready.
Are you filming now?
Yeah.
So I love that you've kept all the original... Okay. Remember that always. I'm going to sponsor that. Try not to giggle now. I didn't get the head move. Nope. What was his name?
David Gilmore.
David Gilmore. The reason it's called that is David Gilmore, who is he alive still? The amazing guitarist, David Lloyd from Pink Floyd.
David Gilmore.
No, don't know what I'm doing. Lovely.